Hello everyone, welcome to this coffee break yoga flow. Right now I'm in the English countryside, so hopefully that will add to the relaxing ambience. And today's coffee break flow will be focusing on areas which often get a little bit tight from sitting too long. So we'll get right into it because it's only about 5 to 7 minutes. And today we're going to start in a nice forward fold at the back of the mat. So take a breath, find a nice tall spine to begin. And on the exhale, interlace the fingers, fold a little deeper, and add in some wrist rolls. So really get those wrists warmed up. If you're using a mouse or typing on the computer or even writing, they can get a little bit tight. So it's good to bring them into their full range of motion. Good. From here, inhale halfway. Let's add a couple neck rolls. So very gently, you can do this all the way standing up if you like. Try and add some dynamic movement, so have fun with this. Move the head in ways which you haven't done for a while, but just be gentle. The neck can get a little tired when it's held in a position for a long time. So yes, be gentle moving it through those different positions, and definitely try and stick the chin out a couple times. Tuck the chin in, get those deep neck muscles going. Add in that double chin. It's good for you even though it doesn't look that good. Nice. All right, bend the knees. From here, we're going to begin to walk the hands out, a couple plank walkouts. So press those shoulder blades away, nice and sturdy. And when you found that plank position, then go ahead and walk back. So keeping this a continuous movement, press the shoulder blades away, maybe up onto the tippy toes, but more elevation, and walk it back. Good, couple more times. Press shoulder blades way up onto the tippy toes and walk it back. 2 more. Walk it forward, press away, and walk it back. Good, all right, walk it forward. Come back onto that plank. Lower those knees down. Let's get into the back. Shift forward, hug the elbows tight, gently lower onto the mat. Nice, from here, using just the back muscles, lift. That cobra, hold, maybe even hover the hands, wake up those back muscles, lower. 2 more like that, lift, inhale, exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Nice, exhale, lower. Bring those hands a little wider, just very gently. Press into them and lift, pulling the chest through, maybe a little bit of a higher cobra. If this is too much, stay low, that's fine. You're still getting that nice movement, or that nice extension of the spine. Exhale, tuck the toes under, downward dog. All right, legs and hips. Inhale, lift that right leg up nice and high. Keep those hips square for now. Reach with the toes, tuck the knee and step it forward. Use the help of the hand if needed. Good, inhale, circle the arms up, high lunge. And today find a bend in that back knee, so we're gonna sit back a little bit here. Hands can come onto the hips. Lean back until you feel a little bit of a stretch in the front of that left leg, left hip. From here, pull the shoulder blades together, try and open the chest. Good, one more breath. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, lower very gently down. Lift the chest in a lunge. So now we're kind of sinking the hips a bit more. And step it all the way back, downward dog. Good, take it to the other side. Inhale, left leg floats up. Exhale, step forward. Good, from here, bend in that back knee. Inhale, lift. Hands meet the hips, sink it back a little bit. Find that stretch. So instead of sticking the butt out, try and tuck it in and under. 2 more breaths, really. You want the power in the back leg. You'll feel it in both of the thighs here. One of them stretching, one of them powering. Good, inhale, arms up. Exhale, lower them down. Back knee lowers and try and lift the chest. You might have to wiggle that back right knee back a little more. Good. Nice, from here, step it all the way back. Find your downward dog. Deep breath in. Exhale, we're gonna walk it forward and finish off where we began. So halfway lift, pull those shoulder blades together. Get those shoulder blades working, because often when we're seated, we're rounding. Let's pull the shoulder blades back. And then exhale, release it all the way. Dive, let the head rest, let the hands rest. Okay, roll all the way up. And we'll finish there. Hopefully your body's feeling a little bit more open. And yes, thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for the next one.